about permutations and combinations, part 5. Okay, solved problems. Example number 1. If NP4 equals to 1680, find N. Most important 2 marks problem. Okay, NP4 equals to 1680, find N. NP4. Here NP4, R equals to where? R equals to 4. R equals to 4. Find the value of N. So NP4 equals to 1680. Take the LCM. LCM. Okay. So 8 table. 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 0. Okay. Next 10 table. 10 2s are 20. 10 1s are. Okay. 7 3s are 21. Okay. Listen. NP4 write as here 4 factors వస్తాయన్న మనకి ఇక్కడ n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. How many factors are there? 1 2 3 4. Here r equal to 4 కాబట్టి 4 factors వస్తాయి. Understood? NPR equal to formula write as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into dash dash so on n minus r plus 1 up to n minus r plus 1. Okay, right. So ikkada 4, here r equals to 4. So n 1 2 3 4 factors equals to 1680. 1680 it is write as order. Write the order, ascending order or descending order. 8 7. Okay, 8 7. Sorry, 10 8 7 3. So equidistance undala. Difference between equidistance. Equidistance means same distance. So here 10 2 5s are 10 రాయొచ్చు. 5 2s are 2 5s are into 8 into 7 into 3. So 8, first write the value of 8, 7, 2 3s are 6, okay, 5. So descending order. Okay, 8 7 6 5. So factors, what is the given factors? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. What is the mean of n? N minus 1. Difference ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ? 1. n minus 2 n minus 3 equals to 8 7 6 8. What is the value of n? 8. Understood? Okay, right. Most important 2 marks bit. Okay, right. Example number 2. If 12 PR equals to 1320, find R. Find R. Okay, 12 PR equal to 1320, find R. Same. So take the LCM. Take LCM. 12 PR equals to 1320. Take LCM 1320. 12 ones are 12. 12 table. 12 ones are 12. 1 12. 12 ones are 0. 11 10s are 11 10s are 20. 110. Okay, it is right as 10 12 11 10. It is order, descending order. Okay, big to small. 12 11 10. Okay, how many factors are there? 3 factors. Highest value 12. 12, it is right as 12p3. p3 means 3 factors, 1 2 3. Okay, so this implies 12pr. What is the r equals to? Therefore r equals to 3. R equals to 3. Okay, right. Next, example number 3. Example number 3. Example number 3. If n plus 1 p5 is to np5 equals to 3:2, find n. Find n. N plus 1 p5 is to np5 equals to 3:2, find n. N plus 1 p5 is to np5 equals to 3:2. So n plus 1 p5 by np5, it is right as, so 3/2. 3/2. Okay, cross multiplication. Okay, 2 into, so it is right as, so n plus 1 p5 అంతేనా. 5 means ఇక్కడ ఒక్కటే, here r equals to how much? 5. How many factors are there? ఎన్ని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వస్తాయి? 5 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ఆర్డర్గా రాస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి? ఫ్రమ్ n plus 1. n plus 1 ఇంటూ నెక్స్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 1 డిక్రీజ్ చేయాలి, 1 డిక్రీజ్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి, n వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Total n factors? 5 factors. By np5, how many factors? 5. n, ఎక్కడి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి? n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4. 5 factors equals to 3/2. Okay, n into n minus 3 into n minus 2 up to cancel. Okay, n plus 1 by n minus 4 equal to 3/2. Now the cross multiplication, 2 into n plus 1 equals to 3 into n minus 4. Okay, 2 into n, 2n plus 2, 3n minus 12. Okay, 2 plus 12 equals to 3n minus 2n. Therefore n equals to 14. n equals to 14. Okay, understood? Result 4, if 56pr plus 6 is to 54pr plus 3 equal to 30,800 is to 1, find r. Here 56pr plus 6 by 54pr plus 3 equal to 30,800 by 1. Here NPR formula, NPR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay na? Right, n equal to 56. 56 factorial by 56 minus half r plus 6 factorial by 54 factorial by 54 minus half r plus 3 factorial equals to 30,800 by using formula NPR. Okay, 56 factorial by 56 minus r minus 6 factorial, it is reciprocal. Okay, 54 minus r minus 3 factorial by 54 factorial equals to 30,800. 54 factorial, 54 factorial, it is expanded 54, next 53, 52 dash dash so on up to 1, up to 1. 56 means 56, 55, 54. From 54, 54 get cancelled. Understood? అంటే బిఫోర్ వాల్యూస్, బిఫోర్ 54 వాల్యూస్ ఏంటి 55, 56. ఓకే, ఇన్ న్యూమరేటర్. ఓకే, సో దట్ మీన్స్ 56 ఇంటూ 55 ఇంటూ 54 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. ఇట్ ఈస్ రైట్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. ఓకే, by 56 minus 6, 50 minus r factorial into 54 minus 3, 51 minus r factorial by 54 factorial get cancel equal to 30,800. Understood? Okay. Here 56, 55 into now 50 minus r factorial, 51 minus r factorial. First, which here, which is greater, which is smaller? It is greater. 51 minus r. Next, 50 minus r. Okay, right. So 51 minus r నేను ఏం రాస్తున్నట్టు 51 minus r into 50 minus r factorial. Okay, by 50 minus r factorial equal to 30,800. Get cancel. Okay, 51 minus r equal to 30,800 by 56 into 55 amma. 56 ones are 56. So which one? 56 2 28 are 215. 28 2s are 56. 28 ones are 28. 2 28 28 ones are okay. 1100 by 110. 55 2s are 10s are okay. 51 minus r equal to 10. 51 minus r equal to 10. Take the LHS. 51 minus 10 equal to r. This implies r equal to 41. R equal to 41.